Have you ever gone shopping for one thing and come home with five? It happens more often than we like to admit. Not because we're careless, and not because we lack discipline. Most of the time, we simply stop paying attention. Our days are busy. Advertisements surround us. Shopping has never been easier. And with just a few taps on a screen, spending money can happen almost without thinking. That doesn't make you bad with money. It makes you human. Today, I'd like to share a simple habit. Not one that tells you to stop enjoying life. Not one that asks you to give up everything you love. Instead, a habit that helps you spend with intention. Because every dollar, every franc, every euro is a small decision. And over time, those small decisions quietly shape the life we build. Most purchases don't change our lives. In fact, many are forgotten within days. Think about the last thing you bought on impulse. Can you remember what it was? Maybe you can. Maybe you can't. That's the interesting part. Many purchases create only a brief moment of satisfaction. But the money we spent is gone much longer. Spending intentionally doesn't mean buying less. It means knowing why you're buying something. Before making a purchase, try asking yourself one simple question. Will this still matter to me tomorrow? Sometimes the answer is yes. Sometimes it isn't. And that's perfectly okay. Because the goal isn't to avoid spending. The goal is to create a small moment of awareness before making a decision. You might even discover something surprising. Many purchases feel urgent until we give ourselves a little time. Waiting just one day often changes our perspective, not because the item became worse, but because the impulse became quieter. And once the impulse fades, our priorities become much easier to see. One of the greatest freedoms money can give us is choice. Not the choice to buy everything, but the choice to spend on the things that truly matter. When we spend with intention, we begin aligning our money with our values. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" we slowly begin asking, "Is this important enough for me?" Those are very different questions. And over time, they often lead to very different decisions. Learning to spend intentionally isn't about restriction, it's about clarity. It's about understanding that every purchase, no matter how small, is a quiet vote for the life you're creating. Today, I encourage you to try something simple. Before your next unplanned purchase, pause for just a moment. Take one breath. Ask yourself why you're buying it. Not to judge yourself, simply to understand. You may be surprised by what you discover. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. In our next lesson, we'll explore why debt is rarely caused by one big decision, and why understanding how it grows is the first step toward breaking the cycle. Until then, take care of yourself and continue building your financial future, one thoughtful decision at a time.